Top 5 Best Electric Mobility Scooters. Today we will review the top 5 electric mobility scooters. In the current market, we hope any one of these 5 electric mobility scooters will be on your wish list. Number 1. BARIHO Electric Mobility Scooter for Adults. Wheelchair device for travel, elderly with light and cup holders and USB charging port. Red. Use Metro 4-wheeled mobility scooter to maneuver easily on smooth indoor and outdoor surfaces in a comfortable environment. This mobility scooters for adults is designed to safely support 300 pounds, is equipped with 9-inch flat-free tires, has a top speed of 5 miles per hour, and can travel up to max 10 miles per charge. Number 2. Drive Medical's Spitfire Scout Mobility Scooters for adults. Combine convenient mobility with superior value in a colorful, customizable exterior. The portable electric scooter is compact, lightweight, and easy to disassemble into 5 manageable pieces, making it ideal for both daily use and travel that requires vehicle transportation. The wheelchair scooter offers enhanced stability even on rougher outdoor terrain. Number 3. Emotor Electric Mobility Scooter for Seniors, 265 pounds weight capacity, 4 wheels driving scooter for adults. Alunimium wheel hub with LED headlights. High-quality motor controller and sensitive brake system. By using high-quality speed controller and electromagnetic brake, the mobility scooter will stop in short seconds once you release the forward-backward controller. Number 4. BARIHO 4-wheel mobility scooter, electric-powered wheelchair device, compact heavy-duty mobile for travel, adults, elderly. Long-range power extended battery with charger and basket included. Easily maneuver over smooth indoor surfaces and rough outdoor surface with the BARIHO 4-wheel mobility scooter with comfort and ease. Designed to safely support up to 265 pounds, the mobility scooter and its tires were engineered for durability and safety. Number 5. Zipper-Roo 4-wheel scooter, portable folding mobility scooter, power electric mobility scooters for seniors, adults, handicapped, elderly, foldable. Travel wheelchair, range extended battery. Drive over indoor and outdoor surfaces in comfort. Designed to support up to 265 pounds and travel up to 12.4 miles on a single charge. Tight turning radius and great power. 3.70 miles per hour max speed. The Zipper-Roo 4-wheel mobility scooter offers riders great performance,